Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a herb. A fragrant herb used in cooking worldwide. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as coriander, coriander, and coriander. It supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The leaves have a fresh, citrusy taste, while the seeds are warm and slightly nutty. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about coriander, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.